That means we need to know what is r, what is theta, right? So what is r? R is easy, right? So in this way, actually r is what? R, as we know, is a squared plus b squared, right? So what is a, what is b? So in this one, actually we know a is 1 and b is 1, right? Because it's 1 plus I. So in this way, plug in, you know r is square root 2, right? Square root 2. Well, what is theta? What is theta? Actually, we say, okay, you can say this tangent theta is what? As we know, tangent theta is b over a, right? Which is 1. Well, tangent theta is 1. What is theta? So in this way, we can get this theta is what? Tangent theta is 1. What is theta? Theta must be quarter pi, right? Quarter pi. So whenever you write out, you know, r and theta, then it's easy to write out this PORNO form, right? You see? So you find the r first, and then you here use just the cosine theta. That's fine. So here I use tangent theta is also okay, right? Also okay. So in that way, we find r and theta. So after you find this one, then you can write out this form is what? Is r cosine theta plus I sine theta, right? Which is what? R is square root 2, right? Cosine theta is cosine pi over 4 plus I sine pi over 4. Right? So this is the first one. Similarly, for the second one, right? Second one. So for second one, what is A and B? Tell me please, what is A, well, what is B? What is A? W. This one minus I. So that means A is square root 3, right? And B is negative 1, right? Negative 1. So in that way, what is R? Again, A squared plus B squared, right? Which is, this square is 3, this square is 1. So we got 2, right? We got 2. And what is the theta? Again, you can use cosine or sine, or you just use tangent. See which one you just more familiar, right? For example, cosine theta. Cosine theta is what? Cosine theta is A over R. Remember this, okay? Well, what is A? A is this one, and over this is this. So in that way, what is theta? Cosine theta is this. That means theta is what? Remember what's the theta? This one is this. That means theta is pi over 603. For sine theta equal this one, actually we know is pi over 3. Pi over 3. Right? Sorry, it's cosine theta. Cosine theta equal this one actually means what? Means over 6. Okay, sorry. If it's sine, then it's this. So it should be this one. So in that way, again, you see, this one is this. Yeah. So, be careful, be careful. There is one thing. Make sure that. Although you find that this one is this. That's why I like to use tangent. But for sine, sine is what? Sine is b over r. But b is negative. So in that one is negative. So sine is positive. Sine is negative and cosine is positive. So that means, well, it's theta. Theta cannot be positive. So in other words, theta is not in the first quadrant, right? So cosine is positive, but sine is negative. So that means theta is somewhere here. Okay? So this is, so if you use this one, you have to use both. But if I just use tangent, that means what? That means it's b over a, which is negative, right? It's negative. It's not positive. Okay? So in that way, you know, for tangent is negative means it's here. So we use negative, you know, and pi over 6. So in that way, we have the form like this, right? Like this. So this one, be careful. You cannot only use 1. If you use 1, you can use tangent, but not cosine, because, you know, depending on the quadrant. Okay? So we just stop here.